YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a video on how to restore an iPod. And first, let's give a big old thanks for Good Luck Technology for letting me get a free download of their video recorder. Now it's just a light version, but this actually gives me the free full, which is nice. So you will start to be seeing me using a computer and a iPod and stuff at one time. Okay, but first what you would want to do is plug up your device and open iTunes. Now I got the newest version, so mine might look a little bit different, but they're all going to do the same thing. But first what you would want to do is press Reagan's iPod, but I mean it will come up like this. Over here will say like iPod or Reagan's iPod or whatever your iPod's name is. This one is just named Reagan's iPod. You want to go to Summary and Restore iPod. Now this one got locked out. This is the only reason I'm doing it. Now if you get locked out and that's the reason you're restoring it, you can back up, and then whenever it's got done restoring, you get all your files that you had before, all your games and everything. But this one I cannot do a backup with. So I press no backup, then restore and update, and there's a little brief summary telling you that there's some purchase thing that hasn't been uploaded onto iTunes, which is okay, cause if they're music or games, you can get them back on the iPod for free. So I would go ahead and press continue. As you can see right now, it is over capacity of 881.3 megabytes. Now right here, we talk about the new iOS 6 that just came out and what you can do with Siri USA only, the iTunes matchup to subscribers, and the new button to reset the advertising identifier. So you can just press next. Here's all their agreement of the iPod software update. And right now it will just restore. It will say 2 hours, but I don't see how that's true. But that's it for this video.